Today, I ain't gonna lie, we did get big shit. Hold on. But this the big shit right here, gang. I ain't gonna lie. We just got this shit in. Yes, indeed, we did hit tier 2. We did come in with pros and cons. I think we got like 2 big shits. We got a Draco. This shit right here. Ooh, full stomach in this bitch. And we got a Switch and FN. So yeah, gang. I ain't gonna lie. We finna start putting in belt. We finna start putting in pain. Like for real pain, gang. Cause like look, bro. Look what I got, gang. Like, look at this. This is so beautiful, bro. This is so majestic. Like, oh my god. Like, oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my granny, we got that shit in, boy. Got all that shit in, gang. My granny. Bow, 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 bow.
Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell y'all, gang, y'all gonna have to see when I get the ARP and start putting in work with it. So like, feel me? So yeah.
Alright, gang. Only way to buy this, we're gonna be like, I got like at least. I got like 9 grams.
You said 200 pop, like, wait, hold on, 200 pop for what?
Per gram.
Alright, bet. Let me see what it is first. Let me see what it is first.
Whoa, I ain't giving out no samples.
Bro, nah. I'm just saying, let me see what it is first, mud.
What do you mean? See what it is first, gang? I ain't giving no samples, gang. Like, I give you my shit.
I'm gonna take my risk. I'm gonna take my risk. I'm not.
I'ma blow you down.
I'll send the money first, mud. I'll send the money.
Just send me.
I'm gonna send you 200 for just 2.
Alright, I got you. See? Nah, I said it's 200 a pop.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I sent 200 for 1.
I got you. Hold on.
Alright, bet.
That's that good shit for my granny.
Hey, how you know my real name, mud?
What the fuck you talking about?
Nah, you just said, you said my real name out loud, mud.
I did not say your real name, I said Fo. What are you talking about?
Oh, my bad. I thought you said my name, bro.
Hold on, I'm gonna go talk to him.
Alright.
Hey, buddy.
Emails and stuff.
Buddy. I just scammed that nigga over there.
You did?
If you wanna use it, it's not even. I scammed that nigga. It's just 200 a pop. It's only 150.
Yo, when is Realtor coming in the city?
Realtor been in the city.
Yeah,
He came in earlier.
Hey, y'all got enough money for a car, bro?
Can you win a car right now?
I need me out.
Hey,
No, I can't do nothing in this car, bro. It's
Can
not
you
my
strike
car.
this shit?
Yes.
I mean, you could drive it.
The big on your hand.
You pro patted it. He's a drone.
You come here what?
Oh, this is it right here.
And then Pedro?
Peso.
Oh, I bet. Hey, Lil B.
I bet for sure. Where our boys at?
We hoping to move though. We hoping to get kicked out that one spot that's down there on the east side. I mean on the west. Yeah, on the west. We trying to get kicked out on the other side of the west though.
I bet for sure.
So on the west side, what happened on the west?
We trying to get kicked out. We hoping to get kicked out so we can move.
Yeah, just move.
Alright, bet. I'll be back. I gotta go pick my brother from the
Alright, say that.
Name Kamari, bro. My brother live around here.
Brother live around.
Oh, yo, that's my brother?
Yeah,
That's my
Wait,
What's good?
hey, give me back since we only playing.
Yo, brother,
Yeah.
some money game?
Hey, mud, put this in the crib, I just got this.
You got a phone?
No, the thing's still broken for the station. You have to put it in the car.
Just put it in the car again.
I just put it in the
Yeah, I'm gonna give you this, I got some work.
Well, I can use this bullet right now.
Take some more work.
Wait, what gun you using?
I got a
Me and the homie
19.
both got like a 19, right?
That's the homie.
I think I have like 8. I think I have 8 bullets left.
We like a gang right here. It's called bullies. Yeah.
Wallahi.
I just dropped on stage. Say so.
Wait, you got your eyes on?
Duffel bag and this.
No, no, no.
No, what? You car?
Wait, which one of y'all done big on me? Yo, big on me right there in the black?
Nah, I'm big on me right here. What's the deal?
Hey, you know I know big on me.
Merch I am. Merch I am. What's the deal? Hey, they just metagame your fit. J-Rax it fit. Metagame your fit.
Hey, everybody take out shirts off. Take out shirts off. Everybody take out shirts off.
That car. Hold on.
Everybody take out mask off. Take off.
Nigga, we right
Bro, stop telling somebody to get out of this hood, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, this nigga.
That's what he said.
You on bail? You on bail? Come on. Yeah. Hit the parking lot. Hit the parking lot. Watch that back.
He back there.
He's back there.
Go on the other side. Go on the other side.
Y'all hear that car? Let's spin through one more time. What?
Third time, bro.
Nah, he spent through. Nah, this is third time. We can flame that shit. This is third time.
Nah,
we
let
can
me
flame this shit.
listen to that.
Wolski, I think we got one.
Flame it! Flame it! Flame it! Flame it! Come here. What is that? Dead Lokes. Dirtball, bitch, you suck. I'm out of shells.
Y'all good? Y'all good?
I'm out of shells. You suck. Or two. Hey, he shot. Get him. Get that man. Get that man. He suck. Word. He's one tap. Hey, tuck. Come on.
Oh, he killed him. He killed KD.
No, he didn't. KD ain't died.
He killed KD.
What?
Why did y'all hold it down? Bro, nah, damn, y'all hurt.
He was playing weird game. He
Oh,
actually
his
killed KD.
bro, his car, bro, he just said he killed him. He started moving. No, oh my god.
Yeah, shoot. Shoot.
Oh my goodness.
No, oh, that had it, bro. Came back right when I got out. Yeah. It had to be listening to our conversation. No way.
Are they hiding behind the car, bro?
But we the only fact.
I do some sport game.
Get
A lot. Oh my goodness. Y'all think so? If we could hold this right here, bro. Back up front.
right here, Gabe.
Oh my god.
You know when he goes to the house. No way he does that.
Look at him behind us. Look at him.
Oh, go back. Oh,
No, they both sit right there. They both sit right there.
they're all there. They're all walking.
So in that clip, both my homies died, and one of the ops died, and they PK'd. So yeah.
I gotta stay tatted up, mud.
I can't hear you,
Hey,
bro.
we trooped it. We
Keep
trooped
on
it right
on
now.
tag.
Trooping through my hood? You trooping through my hood?
Yes, we're gonna troop through there. Like what?
Oh, I bet that. We on that.
I bet. We're fucked. We're getting
Gang, nobody's fuck gang. We got ARPs in this bitch.
They don't,
we
bro, we not the only
Your
ones.
hood's right there.
Folks
On
right
that
there.
car,
Do
on that
stuff
dirt
here.
car, on that dirt car. It was different.
Oh shit, my head's tweaking.
Hey, where that great car is?
Come back. It was across the street. It was across the street at that little thing, at the
I'm going
impound.
across the street.
Hold on, my head's tweaking. The fuck?
Oh.
Hey, who that is in that car?
They know we here.
Who that is in that car? Who that is in that car? Who that is in that car? Who that is in that car?
That's 40. That's 40. That's 40.
Bitch, if they bail out, what? Come on, tell them to come through.
Bro, if they kill my brother, I'm gonna crash out.
Hey, that's 40 miles. That's 40 miles.
Tell them niggas to bounce. Tell them niggas to bounce.
Call them niggas, nigga.
You want me
I
to
don't got their number.
Tell them bounce out.
Hey, that's 40s. That's 40s. Hey, that's 40 miles. That's 40 miles, bro. Ain't a bag.
Tell them niggas bounce. Tell them niggas bounce. And we on whatever, nigga.
Yeah, loads.
See, I look. We feel like we should just hit a hood and let them boogie down.
They boogie down.
Bounce
They
out.
try to.
You're scared.
No, we bouncing out. Merch, we bouncing. Come on. Come on, merch, we bouncing with
Do
ARPs
it.
and switches. Come on.
Do
Get
it.
in.
Whoa.
Oh, hey, nah. Hey, they don't know what we got though, young boy. They don't know what dumb we got.
They don't have no
Yeah.
damn ARPs
Yeah.
and switches, man. What are they
I
doing?
bet they won't bounce out.
Bet they
I
won't.
see it. The car. Hey, somebody hit front, so they boogie down.
In the front? Come on. I'm about that. What? I'm about that.
Hey, Bino, get ready. Bino, get ready.
I'm already knowing. Dead loads.
Let's get ready.
Let's get crazy. What? Come on, let's get crazy. I want to get crazy.
Take 4 times. Let's take 4 times.
Wait, y'all want to do it to them?
Let's go front line. Let's go front. Hey, let's go to our hood. Let's go to our hood because them niggas can only spin it back. He can only spin it back.
Come on, y'all want to go to y'all hood? Come on.
Come on.
Wolski, I think we got one.
I heard that.
Watch that corner. Watch that corner.
Hey, on that corner. On the corner. I just said on the corner.
Where? Where? Them niggas run?
I got shot twice. Hey, I got shot twice.
Oh my god, King! Pussy ass.
Oh, you
they're
finna
so
die. Hey,
scary,
let's
gang.
get in the car. Let's get in the car.
They're
They
so
gotta
scary,
go to
gang.
I was trying to run that down.
Niggas only shot me twice. They suck.
Bro, y'all suck.
Why y'all run, gang? Come on, bro. What lie?
Why do you niggas run, bro? We was right there.
Need to go
Why do you
hospital.
niggas
Need to
run?
go to
Get
hospital.
in the car. Get in the car.
So many questions, who do I ask? Where do I go from here? What are you smoking? Ain't no average girl, my one top tier. What is it now? I stood on business and I